mobile player.
And on your smart speaker.
Play Classic FM.
This is Classic FM. Falling into the water as the 1.6-mile long Francis Scott Key Bridge collapsed in sections in Perth.
I didn't do any filming yesterday because it was such a gloomy day. I was so fed up. I thought that I'd booked the Weatherby show, which is the nearest show to me, the nearest quilt show to me. And I inquired about the balance and they said I never booked it. Well, can imagine, I thought I'd booked it the year before, but that was about the time that my mum died, and I think my head was all over the place. Plus they changed the venue from Harrogate, so I just think it escaped me. So I had a few little tears and I phoned Mr. O'Capple and he gave me a bit of a talking to. And then I thought, okay, move on. You're not booked. That's that. So after I'd got my act together again, I thought, okay, see what quilt shows are around. And I found the one the week before, which was in Exeter. It's 400 miles away. But you know what? I bought stock for 2 shows. What am I going to do if I don't sell enough? So me and Dario Doblo are going to head down to Exeter. And now that I've booked my hotel, do you know, I'm quite excited about it. That's early April. It's actually only a week or so away. I think it's about the 5th, 6th, 7th, something like that. It's the Thursday, Friday, Saturday in April after Easter anyway. So I'm going down there. So it's a bit of an adventure for me. I hope it's going to be good. Be a real change. And then I come back the week after and I'm in Uttoxeter for a week. And I am still on the waiting list for Weatherby. So if they do get a space, I might possibly be there. But I'm not holding out much hope because I don't think that I was the first on the waiting list. So we'll have to see. But the lesson learned, make sure you book everything. I booked all my hotels and I was right chuffed because I got a real bargain price. But there we go. Such is life. So my Orifil order came this morning. And this was just mostly a restock of all my 50 weights that I normally use. So mostly they're the neutrals. But I did order a little bit of 40 weight as well. Because I noticed a few customers had been asking for it this last time. I didn't really have very much in stock. So I ordered the 40 weight. It's a little bit, it's a bit more defined in your quilt tops, the 40 weight. So sorry about all these noises. So, there we go. Did I get any? Oh, that's quite nice. I don't think I've had that one before. 2900. A customer told me she liked a sort of sludgy green. That's how she described it. But I think that's quite a nice colour. 2024. That's my best seller is 2600. What's this? 2250. 2250 is a really lovely Christmas red. Let's see if we can have a look. And I do sell quite a bit of this one. There we go. That's really nice, isn't it? I like that one. Well, I suppose I better get on with some actual work. I've just been doing admin. It's taken me till lunchtime to do all my admin. Then I was having a sneaky look at my RFL. Well, I've actually got a lot of scrap to pack up, so I've got loads of scrap bags for my shows. Because I feel like they're really popular. So I'm going to crack on with that now.
Hall of Fame 23. Don't forget, after today, we've got Wednesdays and Thursdays before the new chart will start to be revealed. So today we began with Mendelssohn, Hebrides Overture. His highest entry at number 50. Edward L.
Well, that's the chief constable of the PSL, the police service in Northern Ireland, John Boucher. I'm going to hear more from him.